updating your repair cost help video. So the repair cost has different options. You can use a manual by entering a repair cost here, or use the estimated repair calculation, which you're going to choose an option of quality. This will be customized to your um, company's preferences. So in this particular case, you would go to a option that makes sense based on the price point, and then the system's going to give you the option to manually start updating the drop downs. The general repair cost is it's in the bottom. Choose from the square footage of the property range, figure the conditions, so that if it's say poor, and then start updating the actual cost for other items that are not part of the general repairs, which would be HVAC, popcorn staging, rewiring in house, and things like that. Once you have a total, press confirm. That price is going to transfer you automatically. And another thing, and make sure you either calculate it or estimate it unseen.